Welcome to Gadget Right, and in this video we'll talk about the new WhatsApp Messenger update, which is the WhatsApp version 23.14.79. The new WhatsApp update is released for iPhone users that now allow iPhone users to transfer chats on their iPhone to another device without the previous backup of their iPhone. With the new WhatsApp 23.14.79 for iPhone, you can now transfer your chat from your iPhone to either your Android or another iPhone users. And this particular WhatsApp update is a stable version, so whether you are a beta user or not, you will be able to use this particular stable WhatsApp on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do to use this WhatsApp on your iPhone is to go to your Apple App Store. And once you're in your Apple App Store, the next thing you want to do is you want to search for WhatsApp. So let's quickly search for WhatsApp and click on the search button. Then you see WhatsApp Messenger as the first. Click on it, and there should be an update for this on your phone. Then click on the update button to download and update the latest WhatsApp for iPhone, which is the WhatsApp version 23.14.79. And before then, you can go through what is new in this WhatsApp. And what is new in this WhatsApp version is you can now transfer chat to iPhone. There is also a redesigned sticker tray with improved navigation and a larger set of stickers, including more avatars. Video calls support landscape. So instead of the portrait usual mode, you can now use landscape video mode. And the next one is you can now silence unknown caller on your iPhone with this latest version. So let's go ahead now and see all this feature in the new WhatsApp redesign or in the redesigned new WhatsApp for iPhone. The first one is to transfer chat on iPhone, and the second one is a redesigned sticker. Also, your phone call now can be in landscape, and you can silence unknown caller on WhatsApp. Then click on the open button. So unlock your WhatsApp if you're using a lock code, or use your Face ID. Try again. Then use your unlock code if your Face ID is not working. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the settings icon to the bottom right. Here, you need to click on chat. And if you scroll down, you see move chat to Android or transfer chat to iPhone. The first features allows you to transfer your WhatsApp chat from your iPhone to your Android phone without any backup. And the second one allows you to transfer your chat from iPhone to iPhone. That is from iPhone to another iPhone. So if you click on transfer chat to iPhone, you'll be prompted to where to initiate this transfer chat. Here, you'll be able to transfer your chat history. Now transfer chat history to iPhone. If you click on the start button, you will be prompted to connect to the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone. And in this case, there is no need for using iCloud. You can transfer your chat history privately and have most of your up-to-date messages without using iCloud. All you need to do is click on the transfer button or start button, cancel transfer. And next, we're also talking about you can also move this chat to Android. Click on move chat to Android. Then follow prompt the same guide as if you want to transfer your chat from iPhone to iPhone. Mark you will not be able to transfer later if you skip this step. Then you can transfer to a different phone number. So just tap transfer to a different phone number. Then that means you want to change your phone number, input the phone number, your country code, and then click on the next button. Follow the prompt to transfer your chat. Now, and the next feature of this latest WhatsApp version 2.23.14.79 for iPhone is under privacy. Just go to your WhatsApp settings and then click on privacy. Once you get to privacy, you will be able to silent calls. So there is a new feature that allows you to silent calls on your WhatsApp. Just click on the calls option, and here you see silence unknown callers on your iPhone. So calls from unknown callers will be silenced. They will still be shown in the calls tab but in your notification. So Any calls coming from someone you do not know or someone you do not save on your phone will be silent automatically. And lastly, with the WhatsApp version 2.23.4.7 says you cannot make a video call and have it in a landscape mode. So you can have it in a landscape mode and you can have it in portrait mode. So go ahead now to download the latest WhatsApp version 2.23.49.79 on your iPhone to enjoy all these features. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on WhatsApp new release just like this.